Hey there, space enthusiasts! Did you know that Earth's orbit is not just a vast expanse of nothingness, but actually a cluttered mess filled with millions of pieces of space junk? It's a situation that poses a serious threat to our satellites and spacecraft up there. Welcome back to our channel, where today we're diving into the chaotic world of space debris and exploring the impact it has on space exploration and communication. Buckle up, because it's going to be a bumpy ride through the space junkyard you never knew existed. Presentation of problem/challenge. Let's talk about the dangers of space debris. Imagine a scenario where a defunct satellite collides with an active one, creating even more debris in a chain reaction of cascading collisions. It's a nightmare scenario that could significantly hinder our ability to operate in space. Exploration/development. So, how does all this space junk come to be? From old, defunct satellites to debris left behind from rocket launches, our space environment is becoming increasingly cluttered. Tracking and avoiding these objects is not only challenging but absolutely crucial to ensure the safety of our missions. Climax/key moment now. Brace yourselves as we reveal the staggering scale of the problem. Images and statistics of the space junk orbiting Earth paint a grim picture of the situation. It's clear that we urgently need solutions to clean up this mess and preserve the sustainability of space activities. Conclusion/summary. To wrap things up, let's recap the main points. Space junk is a real and growing threat that we can't afford to ignore. The risks it poses to our satellites, spacecraft, and future missions are significant. That's why efforts to mitigate space debris are more important now than ever before. Call to action, CTA. Before we sign off, we encourage you to delve deeper into the topic of space debris and its impact on our activities beyond Earth. Share your thoughts and ideas in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation going. Together, we can work towards a cleaner and safer space environment for all. Thanks for watching, and until next time.